If you wanted to build landing pages, normally you would want to use some sort of a landing page builder. As you're looking at on the screen, you have options such as Unbounce, leadpages.com, and you have options such as instapage.com. These are fully customizable landing page builders that can integrate with your website regardless of the platform that your website is on, and it will help you create multiple landing pages and allows you to scale up without any sort of help from developers or any sort of help from designers. Access to all sorts of features such as a main landing page and thank you page and all sorts of forms that you could add to your landing page and start generating leads for your campaigns, whether they are organic or inorganic. But what if you wanted to build a website with WordPress and not use any of these landing page builders which are mainstream? In that case, then you will still need a premium theme or some sort of a theme that will allow you to hide your header and footer, which is the primary requirement for a landing page, because a landing page does not have a header, it does not have a footer, it does not have any extra links. It only has a singular call to action on that landing page and a story with respect to text and visuals and videos. Help the visitor take a decision based on what's on the landing page and sign up as a lead or whatever it is that you were trying to promote on that landing page. So in my case, I'm using Divi. You can get yourself a copy of Divi at petprofits.com/Divi. Several themes give you several options to hide your header and footer, and then use drag and drop builders to be able to create your landing. And this is how you go about it. Inside the dashboard on the left side panel, you have all of the options, plugins, and all of the settings that you have available. But you will want to get to Divi and you'll want to get to theme builder. And when you get to theme builder, this is where you can create a new template and assign it to certain parts of your website. So for example, here you have a custom header and footer template that I've created. What you're looking at in green is a global template which applies to the entire site. You want to add a new template and create a landing page here. Now this particular template can be used and specified and added to any page that you create and turn that into a landing. Before you get here though, you need to ensure that you get to pages, open pages on your WordPress, create a new page and give it a name. Now there are two specific ways to build a landing page with Divi. One is the one that I'm about to show you in this video, and the second is you need to find what is called as a pre-made layout. If you don't find it here initially, when you load the page, you need to come down to the lower section here. When you do, you will find this option with a little plus icon. Click on that plus icon and you have several pre-made layouts that are already inside Divi you can make use of. If you just type in landing page, you'll get lots of options here with respect to landing pages. So what you're going to click on is a complete layout pack, which includes other pages as well, but there's an option that says landing. If you click on landing, you will get to the landing page. Now if you can see that the difference with a landing page and a regular page is that you don't have extra links except for the big call to actions in red, black or blue that have people do something or take some sort of an action. This landing page is obviously built, change this about, swap images, swap call to actions, swap text, and make your changes if you wanted to, or you can build it right from scratch. No particular page has a header here. I also has this custom footer that I created. I don't want any of these on my landing page. I just want the visual text and call to action button. Click on add new template. Remember that to get to this particular page, get to Divi, click on theme builder and then click on add new template. Remember that we're also creating this template for landing page. Click on add new template, click on build new template. Use this template on any of these pages that are available inside WordPress. So we want to apply this specifically to a particular page that's called landing page. Specific pages, and click on landing. You will notice that it has inherited the global settings again. Click on these three dots here and click on hide on front end. Again, for the footer, click on the three dots and click on hide on front end. Once you do that, this particular page does not have a header and footer. Now I can go ahead and add a custom body. The body is what the rest of the page is. Click on build custom body. Now the page builder opens up for Divi. Here is where you will start building what you wanted to in terms of a landing. Click on this big green icon and you have this hero section here. So maybe I could just add that hero section here and add text. This is supposed to be the heading for the landing page. So you would want to choose, let's say, heading 2. And this is the heading 2 and is specified as such. You can also align this right here. You get to design and go to heading text and go to heading 2. Poppins is what it will inherit, and now you wanted to add a subheading. And when you hover on that element, you will find that plus icon. Click on that plus icon and you will now find another new row. You can add another row. So click on row, click on text again. Now you have your subheading. Now I'm going to add a button, add another row, search for button here and click on button, and this is how your button is going to look like. I'm going to call it your call to action and go to design. This is button, so use custom styles for button, yes, and make it black. This is button text color, so make it white. The button background, you can make it black. You can also align it, choose a button font. So click on alignment and put it on the middle. Your landing page is being built, and you can obviously create and build the landing page the way you want. Then you could add a 3-column here. Let's say the first one is an image. Now you can choose any image out of your library. Add a blurb, for example. That blurb shows up here. You can add a contact form, of course, but I wanted to add an opt-in form, an email opt-in form. So I can click on that, and this is where your email opt-in form starts showing up, and you can design it the way you want. You can place it where you want. These are great for your campaigns because these provide an uncluttered experience and a focused experience for people to take action on your pages depending on what your campaign is all about. So I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, please do like it and share it. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.